Perched gracefully on the edge of the Oregon coast, Bora Architects' 360 house is a modern sanctuary that blends seamlessly with its natural surroundings. Nestled amidst dense forest and open shoreline, the home's minimalist design uses glass and steel to frame the stunning views, while a copper-clad green roof adorned with ferns and native grasses blends in with the landscape. From the wooded driveway, only the upper level is visible, accessed via a sleek catwalk and oversized glass revolving doors. The upper level is a bright and airy space that houses the main living area. Expansive glass walls erase boundaries, draw in natural light, and offer uninterrupted views in every direction. The living room serves as a tranquil retreat, with plush seating arranged to maximize the coastline views. Next door, the dining area is anchored by a custom-built table positioned to capture the sunset through the west-facing glass wall. Nearby, the kitchen combines sleek cabinetry, basalt countertops, and high-end appliances, all centrally positioned to ensure unobstructed sight lines. Wide sliding doors connect the kitchen to a sheltered deck, offering an ideal space for outdoor dining and relaxing. From the beach below, the home reveals its full height, blending seamlessly with the sloping site. The ground floor is designed for privacy and intimacy, opening directly to the terrace and beach. This level features a cozy living room complete with a TV, bookshelves, and comfortable sofas, making it the perfect retreat for relaxing or gathering. Two thoughtfully designed bedrooms are separated by glass partitions, maintaining a balance of privacy and openness. Large windows in each room frame stunning views of the surrounding landscape, fostering a serene connection with nature. Sleek bathrooms with basalt finishes and brown oak cabinetry provide functionality and elegance, embodying the design ethos of the home. A dedicated study on the ground floor offers space for productivity and creativity, featuring a long, custom-built desk and flooded with natural light through large windows. The space blends practicality with inspiration. Its proximity to the beach and surrounding natural surroundings enhances the calming atmosphere. Although the Oregon coast's weather can often be unpredictable, the home is flooded with natural light, creating an inviting and uplifting atmosphere. At night, carefully selected lighting transforms the home into a cocoon-like haven, enhancing its intimate and serene character. With a seamless integration of architecture and environment, 360 House by Bora Architects is more than just a home. It is a celebration of light, nature, and modern design. Every detail reflects a careful balance of comfort and sophistication, creating a timeless retreat on the edge of the Pacific.